Hey guys, Crypto Junior here with another video. I will tell you more about my personal trading strategy where I earn about $100 a day. Yes guys, in today's video I will tell you my scalping strategy on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute time frame. And you may be thinking, what is scalping? Scalping means that you trade on a lower time frame. Think about the 1 minute or the 5 minutes. So I will give you my strategy, but beside having a strategy, it's also important to stick to the strategy and don't let your emotions take over control. And what do I mean with that is, if you have maybe a strategy and your indicator says almost that you need to buy, but not yet, but the price is pumping at the same time. Now your emotions say to yourself, buy, because the price is pumping and you don't want to miss this pump. We are missing profits. And you buy yourself in and the indicator still says no. And what happened after is that the price decreased after you bought and you're lost and your stop loss is hit. And all of this wasn't happened if your emotions didn't take control over yourself. So guys, it's so important to have a plan. That's what I'm telling you today. But beside that, also don't let your emotions take over control. I think you are curious right now, right? You want to know what is the strategy and also what do we need? So the first thing we need is an exchange. On which exchange I'm personally trading is Margex. And Margex is a trading platform where you can trade with leverage. And I personally think it's very easy to use. And also a very important thing is you don't need KYC. You can just register yourself with your email, deposit some crypto, and after that you can start trading. And besides that you don't need any KYC, they also have a special 20% deposit bonus on your first deposit if you use the code JUNE, and you can get a bonus up to 10,000, and this will cover 50% of your trading funding fees. So it's a nice discount to trade in a cheap way without KYC. So I'm personally using Margex and you are up to 100 leverage. And besides having an exchange, we will use TradingView. Why TradingView? Because we can also see the chart on the exchange, right? Yes, that's correct. But TradingView gives a more and clean overview of the chart, and that is what we want. And TradingView is completely free. Just in case you want to have premium functions, you can have a premium subscription, but just to use the basics, it's completely free. Just register yourself with your email. And in case you want to have a premium subscription, I have a $50 discount. Click on the link inside my bio, and otherwise just register yourself for free. So let's get back to TradingView, because I will tell you the scalping strategy. So I think we should not wait any longer. Let's go to TradingView. Inside TradingView, I will explain you exactly step by step how you can set up all the indicators you need to make the best decision to trade. And the first thing that we need is the RSI. So right in here, RSI is the relative strength index. Right now, an indicator pops up at the bottom. The second one we need to add is the MACD, moving average convergence difference. So click that one. And the third one we need to add is the SMA, moving average simple. Now we see a line in the middle of our chart. We double click on it. It now opens the settings, and the length we need to make 200. And the style, we want to see the line way more clear. So we make it yellow and a little bit thicker. This can be done here, thickness. And now we see a clear yellow line in the middle of our chart. And this shows us the average of the 200 candles in the past. And in case you are not yet on the 1 minute time frame, click on the 1 minute and click on the token you want to trade. And you may be thinking right now, I'm confused. I see so many indicators, and how does everything work? Hold on. I will explain you exactly step by step. So this scalping strategy is very easy to use, and beside that, it's completely free to use. We don't need to pay for any indicators at all. Now, there's one last thing we need to do, because now we see a lot of green and red candles, and we can make the chart look way more clean. And we can do that by clicking on candles. We click on Heiken Ashi. And right now we see the chart and also we see the trend of the chart. We can see very clear when we zoom in an upwards trend, it's more green. And when we have a downwards trend, we see red. We see that the RSI is at the below the 30 level. So this means that the price is oversold. And we can expect a pullback very soon. Also, the MACD line is below the orange one, the blue one, and we will open up a long position here. We see that the line crossed it at this moment. We are putting our first stop loss at 0.2 and we want to put our target as 0.5. And we see that in less than 10 minutes, we reached our target already. So in this case, we also had 0.8% profit. And this gave us another 24% in just 10 minutes. And now we can go back in time. We see another possibility. We see here, we see the RSI is above the 70 area. The price is overbought. We can expect a pullback. And we are also trading above the yellow line. Not much, but we are above. So we want to open a short position here. And exactly at the moment when we cross the RSI, we want to put a stop loss at 0.2 and we want to put a target 0.5. And now we can see that we hit our target in just 24 minutes. In 24 minutes, we have another 24%. Now, in this example, we have a profit of 0.8%. But we used a leverage of 30 times. And if we have our calculator here, we do 30 times 0.8. We now not have 0.8% profit, but a 24% profit on our $100. And that's so cool about this. Even when the price is only chasing a very small percentage, we can still make a good amount of profit. And because we are trading on the 1 minute time frame, we can open up multiple trades each day. Let's take another one. Now we go back in time. We have another trade here. We have the RSI in the overbought area. And now we will not open this trade because we are below the yellow line. We want to have the price above. It was a good one, but we need to stick to our plan and not open any trade outside of our rules. And now we have this is 6 December. In just one day, we have 3 trades with 24%. I'm not saying that all trades are guaranteed profit. And that is why bankroll management is so important. We don't want to put all of our money in one trade. In the next part, I will explain you how you can set up your bankroll management and also how the exchange works. Before we go to bankroll management, I want to go back to the exchange because you may be wondering, how does Margex works? So when we are on margex.com, we see this. We first want to log in, and after that we want to click on futures USDT M, and now we are inside the trading software, and we don't need to use TradingView. We can use it because I like TradingView because it's way bigger and also easier to use. But in case you just want to use the exchange only, you can also add the RSI here, and also the MACD can be added here, and also the moving average can be added here. So in case you want to use only the exchange, you can do it also in here, but I personally prefer TradingView. Before you can start trading, you need to deposit some crypto. So go to your wallet at the top, click on the specific crypto you want to deposit. I prefer USDT, so I click on deposit and send some funds to your account. Right now, we go to the bankroll management and also the last part of this video. Now we're coming at the most important part, bankroll management, because guys, keep in mind, we are not able to win every trade. Even the best traders in the world will not win every trade. And that's why bankroll management is so important, because we don't need to win every trade. And let me explain you why. So in this example, I have a trading account of $3,000. And as you saw in TradingView, we have a win of 0.8%. When we lose, we will lose 0.3% because of our stop loss. Now I want to lose maximum of 2% of my capital. I have 3,000 in my account. and this means that I will lose maximum of $60 in each trade. Now, because of the leverage is a maximum of 100, I will put in 10% of my capital, that is 300. Keep in mind, I will not lose the 300 because we will use a stop loss. Now I put my 300 on the line. My stop loss is set at 0.3% below the price, but I want to lose a maximum of 20%. Now I'm using always a leverage of 66. And now you're thinking, how do you get 66? It's really simple. 20% divided by 0.3 is 66.6. So we will use a leverage of 66, and that will result in a maximum lose on this 300 of 60. But if we win, we will win $150 because we have a win ratio of 2.5. And do we need to win every trade? And this is the final part of this video. No. As an example, I have 10 trades. 4 of them I lose and 6 of them I win. So lose 1, 2, 3, 4, and win we have 6 times. 5, 6. In this trade, I lose $60. And this one too. And every time when I win, I do win $150. Now we see 4 trades in a loss of $60 and $150 win in each trade 6 times. And this result in a profit of $660. So we don't need to win every trade. Stick to the plan and also stick to the rules. Use this bankroll management, and we can use every time 66 leverage, because when we lose a maximum of 0.3% and we win 0.8%, we have a win ratio of 2.5%. Maybe the video is really long, but I want to explain it to you in the best way and also show it to you in the best way. And again, I'm using Margex, and they have currently a 20% deposit bonus, and also you don't need any KYC. Guys, Margex 20% bonus, no KYC, and up to 10,000 bonus if you use the code June as a promotion bonus. So guys, thanks for watching. I see you in the next video, and like and subscribe. See ya. Bye bye.